dumbbells workout. So if you are ready, grab a pair of dumbbells and let's begin. Okay, so we're going to begin by just coming up straight out in front of us. We have 3 minutes of this front raise, so we have another 3-minute workout challenge. For here, you are just coming up. You can see I'm about parallel to the ground here from the side view. And we're just raising up and down. So this move really works our shoulders here, as well as our forearms, a little bit of those biceps as well. Make sure you have a slight bend in those knees here. You don't want to lock them out while we are working out here. And this is just 3 minutes of this. You can do it. Up and down. And keep going here. Y'all are doing such a great job. How do y'all like my outfit? I just got these super cute shorts recently. They're really cute. Makes me excited for spring and summer. They got that beachy type of tropical vibe. So keep going here. Lift up and down and up and down. And my orange shirt is bright, matches the shorts as well, that tropical vibe here. And even my dumbbells here match my shorts. We got the little cute little pink flowers here and they match that perfectly. Y'all are doing such a great job. I'm so excited for summer. And how do you like these super cute irises I have behind me? They're a really beautiful purple color. Unfortunately, they don't match my shorts here, but they are so cute. I'm so excited to see them out. I love it when the flowers bloom in the spring and summertime. Always my favorite part of spring is getting to see everything come back to life after the winter and seeing everything blossom. So pretty. Leave me a comment below what your favorite type of flower is. I don't know what mine is. I have so many. They're all so pretty. So keep lifting up for me here. This 3 minutes is going to go by super fast. Before you know it, we'll be done. And it won't even feel like we've worked out 3 whole minutes together. If you need to pause at any time, feel free to. You can grab a drink of water, shake out those arms, give them a little bit of a stretch as well. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe if you are not already. And I look forward to seeing you on Friday. Bye!